In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a door in AutoCAD. Whether you're an AutoCAD beginner or just brushing up your skills, this straightforward guide will help you create and manipulate doors with ease, perfect for any floor plan you might be working on. Let's dive right in and get started with crafting our door. To begin with, we're going to create the main body of the door. Our objective is to make it 5 centimeters thick and 90 centimeters wide. You can use the line tool by typing line or simply hitting L on your keyboard and pressing enter to start. Draw the first line at the base of your desired door location, ensuring it's precisely 90 centimeters in length. It's often helpful to make sure your units are set correctly beforehand in AutoCAD to avoid any sizing discrepancies. Next up, let's add another line that runs perpendicular from one end of the first line. This line will also be 90 centimeters long, as it represents the door's height. You can achieve this by using the Ortho Mode feature, which helps you draw straight lines either horizontally or vertically. Toggle it on and proceed to draw the line upwards from the end of your initial line. Remember, keeping your drawings organized and precise is key, so take your time with this step. Now that we've got our basic rectangle, it's time to create the arc, which simulates the door swing. For this, I prefer using the start-end radius method for arc creation. You'll initiate this by typing arc into the command line, selecting the start-end radius option from the prompt that appears. Click on the ends of the line that represents the width of the door to set your start and end points for the arc. Once you've done that, input the radius, matching it to the 90 centimeter length of the door itself. This creates a smooth sweeping arc, representing how the door will open. With the structure complete, our door is now ready to be used in any design. You could keep it as is, but for more flexibility in your projects, you can turn this door into a block. This allows you to easily copy, paste and rotate it wherever it's needed on your floor plan. To create a block, simply type block in the command line, follow the steps provided, and assign a name that makes it easy to identify later. And there you have it, a door ready to be inserted into your project with a click. With practice, you'll become faster and more efficient, allowing you to incorporate doors seamlessly into your designs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials.